Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can send snaps from camera roll as a normal snap. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. What you're going to be doing is go ahead and open up your Snapchat right over here, and then this is how the interface gonna look like. So now let's say you want to upload or send a snap from camera roll as a normal snap to somebody. You're going to go to the chat section first and you're going to choose whom you would like to send. Then you're going to go ahead and tap on this little picture icon right over here, which will open up your gallery for you to send a snap from. Once I've chosen a particular snap that you would like to send, so for example, let's say this is the one. Once chosen the picture, you're going to tap on this option of send right over here, and the snap has been shared to them as normal, as like a normal snap. And that is basically how it works. So that is it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.